Hey, what's up? Quick update. Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Hope everyone's doing well. Just wanted to show you what's going on here super quickly before we go ahead and lay some new flow coat on here. So what I'm doing right now is sanding it down with not 400, 800 grit, cutting down the orange peel. So there's a couple of flows and processes through this type of work here. And I'm going to be explaining in detail, especially in VIP, the different ways you can do this. All right, now I'm in the middle here of sanding. Doesn't look that great because it's all sanded up, but I could just take it in the sun super quickly here and kind of show you what this red looks like. I'm not sure how the video is going to be picking it up, but you guys can see the metal flake in this thing if I get close. There we go. Can you see that metal flake there? So what I'm doing now is sanding it down. You can see this is the orange peel. So this is what you want to cut. And the reason why I had a lot of orange peel on this thing is because I didn't sand it smooth enough after I laid my metal flake with the inner coat. Right, I was rushing it and I just sanded it quick. I should have took my time and went a little bit more, and it was a little rough when I cleared it, but I did lay 2 heavy coats of candy and 2 heavy coats of clear on this thing. But now this can actually be sanded and buffed out, but I figured why not, let me just flow coat it, because when you flow coat it always comes out nicer. You know what I mean? So I'm going to finish sanding this thing with 800 grit right now. You can kind of look at that candy and the flake, how deep that looks. So we're gonna finish sanding this down, and I'm gonna just put 2 more coats of clear on this and we'll be good to go. Pretty cool design on it. I did a fade with some black. You can see how that looks there. It looks really, really sick. When it's cleared out, it's gonna look a lot better. So if you guys like that, hit a quick like. Oh man, what is this? And here is the rest of the project. I just put this on this morning super quickly. We did this whole piece out. I didn't do any black fading on this piece here, just candied it. And we do have metal flake all around here. It looks really, really good. In the sun, this thing's gonna look sick. And there's a few different ways to clear coat, a few different ways to candy, metal flake, and clear coat. All right, and I'm gonna explain all the ways on how to do it in just a bit. Again, this is a brandy wine. This piece came out really smooth and nice. As you can see, we don't have to flow coat it. I mean, it can be sanded and buffed, but this is a lawnmower, guys. I'm not gonna go buffing this thing out. It'll just be ridiculous if I did. Anyway, it's looking really cool. Wait till the front is on it. We got a candy. I think this thing will look crazy in the sun. I should pull it out in the sun right now. But anyway, here is the main piece. And I also did my daughter's razor. So you guys will be able to see all those videos. Check that color out there. Pretty cool color. Yeah, it really, and you can see some of the fade work in here. Telling you, wait till this